So the first planting of snap peas and shell peas are looking pretty good. They've come up nicely. They're starting to see some weeds creep in, so we'll get them cultivated again. Next door, the second planting, the beans haven't poked the ground yet, broken the ground, and the snap peas and shell peas are just starting to break the ground in the second planting. We're getting ready today for the third planting. I got the rock all raked out yesterday. The old man spent the day picking rock, which is amazing at 79. He's a tank, still going strong. He's been picking rock off this field for decades, and it's what he loves. It's what he loves to do. And we can see the the beans, the first planting are up, just breaking the ground now. We've had some cold days, and they kind of scoop back down until they get to about this stage. When they're just breaking the soil on a cold day, you know, almost like they sink back down into the earth. It's still a little bit of a danger zone for us. Usually about May 15th is when it's safe for us to plant out, typically. So we're kind of gambling with the beans anyways, of putting the two plantings in. This third planting will be fine. It should break the ground after all the danger of the frost has passed, but this planting right here, the first one, it's kind of a chance, and we'll just have to wait and see if it pays off. Thank you for the support of the channel, those of you that watch. I appreciate your channels. I try to get as many videos as I can under my belt, watching the other content that's created. It's not easy. We have a satellite connection, and it is tough to download videos. But that being said, as always, thank you for watching.